Imagine you have 500 shillings to spend at the market. You don't need to spend exactly 500, you just can't go over. That's an inequality. Let's learn how they work. An inequality compares two values that are not equal. Instead of an equal sign, we use these four symbols. Think of the arrow always pointing to the smaller side. We solve inequalities just like equations. Do the same thing to both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides and we get x is greater than 4. The rule stays the same. But here's the critical rule. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality sign flips direction. Negative 2x greater than 6 becomes x less than negative 3. Let's solve 2x plus 5 is less than or equal to 13. First, subtract 5 from both sides to get 2x is less than or equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2, x is less than or equal to 4. On the number line, we use a fill dot at 4 because it includes 4, and shade everything to the left. Now, a harder one. Solve 7 minus 3x is greater than 1. Subtract 7 from both sides to get negative 3x is greater than negative 6. Divide by negative 3, and flip the sign. X is less than 2. On the number line, we use an open circle at 2 because it does not include 2. Many students forget to flip the sign when dividing by a negative. They write x greater than 2 instead of x less than 2. Always check. Did you divide by a negative? Flip it. Remember for graphing, if the symbol has a line underneath, less than or equal, use a filled dot. No line underneath means an open circle. Equal means filled. Here's your exam tip, negative flip. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, imagine the inequality sign doing a backflip. It always changes direction. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning and ace your exams.